Hello everyone, my name is Shihomhw4BUS536 and I would like to answer our homework for this week. Our first question is describe three components of strategy process. Strategy process is important when companies want to grow and success. Companies can make sure their success or failure and fix their business way easily. There are three steps of the strategy process. First is planning, second is implementation, and last is evaluation and control. First step is planning. Companies collect information at the planning section. There are four kinds of events: data gathering, creating mission, objective setting, and strategy establishment. First of all, companies must collect external and internal information. It's important to analyze external environment. How's economic situation and what is government policy in the market, how our competitors doing, and how's people's life in the target market. These external environment consistently affect companies' business. If the external environment dramatically changes, companies must change their strategy to fit it. Understanding internal capability is crucial too. Companies must analyze what their strengths and weaknesses and their core competence. It's also better to ask outside of people such as customers and others. Success multinational companies have one or two core competencies. Second is creative mission. Mission is a brief statement which expresses what are we doing, who are we. It shows company's focus and purpose or reason for its existence. It's like a broad company's map. Third is setting objectives. In this event, companies set measurable goals and performances specifically. Companies need to set deadline to measure. Setting short, middle, and long-term objective is very effective. Last event of planning is establish strategy. There are three strategies companies need to set: corporate level strategy, business level strategy, and functional level strategy. Corporate level strategy set which industry we are in and how diverse. Business level strategy is how compete in the chosen market industry. In this strategy, companies realize their business as low cost and low price product or unique and high price product. A functional level strategy is the strategies for each division at the company, such as marketing, R&D, HR, and accounting department. Those strategies can make more specific goals and objectives to success at the company. Implementation is second step of the strategy process. After make plans, companies must conduct those. In this process, the value chain analysis is convenient to make sure companies' strategies are fitting each their goals. The value chain analysis shows companies' primary activities such as logistics, operation, marketing, and service. It also shows support activities which support primary activity. The value chain analysis is useful because companies can make sure how each division are affected each other. Last of the strategy process is evaluation and control. After strategy is implemented, companies need to evaluate the strategy makes good result or not. If companies cannot hit their goals, they must make sure what was causes and how to fix those. In the real world, a company does these steps again and again in daily activities. Next is the question that the strategy process outlined in our book would change for small companies not operating internationally. I think the strategy process don't need to be changed for small companies. This There was the example of McDonald's and Hong Kong Cafe in our textbook. This example shows big international companies need to prepare their strategy process, much taking more time because those are more complex than small companies like Hong Kong Cafe. But the basic idea of strategy process for small companies are same as big ones. So this is my answer for week 4 homework. Thank you for listening everyone. See you next week. Bye bye.